Youngster, ganda ka. Ganda, ganda yan.
Manipis, masikip, makipot.
Masikip ang kipot. Achi. Nani?
Cheers! Cheers, everyone!
Thank you, Achi.
ABCD.
ABCD, ha?
Bakit kanina, nag-games tayo, ABCD na,
ABCD, who?
ABCD who?
Kailan magsasara na yung reception?
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D. Speaking words of wisdom, letter E.
Inyong dalawa, and may you be an inspiration to everyone. So I pray also na mas maging matatag pa yung pagsasama ninyo, mas maging
Whether I'm doing good or bad, it's you. So, congratulations. Yang, Yan, Kat, and I highly recommend marriage. It's great. Try it.
Bilang mag-asawa, syempre alam ko na may topak ba siya? Pag madala siya or ikaw? Wala. So, parang may takot yun. Hindi, wala bro, wala bro. Wala bro, sobrang siyang okay ba niyan? Understanding siya talaga sobrang. Perfect, perfect. But yun naman ang importante sa marriage, and then from my experiences, you just have to, as men, we just have to be the women sometimes. Like, we have to be understanding, we have to be the pinaka-patient talaga, di ba?
That is what gives it its power, and that is what gives it its effectivity. And I am so blessed to stand here to say that your love story is better, way better than your song. And I
Babalik pa rin sa'yo
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulit kita, nais kong malaman mo. Iyak ko.
We gotta do it to it.